friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Royal Oak, a beautiful neighborhood in northwest Calgary, Alberta. This community was developed in the early 2000s and quickly became one of Calgary's most desirable suburban areas. With its rolling hills, scenic ponds, and open green spaces, it's easy to see why people love calling this place home. The area's location near Stony Trail makes it convenient for getting anywhere in the city. Whether you're visiting for a short time or thinking about moving here, Royal Oak offers a warm and welcoming Calgary experience. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains.
Thank you very much.
It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.